I have called you all here to remind you something. Those of you planning to dethrone me should think again. If the lion takes the throne, you shall all become his food. I am alive today. It's only because of my 16-valve engine. These stupid lions wanted to eat me raw. So I ask you again, who do you want as your king?
I chose King Kasongo.
I chose King Kasongo.
King Kasongo for life!
Thank you. This meeting is over. The kingdom continues. My name is King Kasongo.
Long live King Kasongo!